What is Taoism?
Taoism, do you know who Lao Tzu is? Like yin and yang, like yin yang.
Ah, yes.
No, don't do anything. You have to follow the flow.
Right.
Very much like.
Yes, it's the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Exactly same.
Yeah.
Because of this is the balancing sport.
Yeah.
So yin yang, it's exactly same.
Yeah.
So there is always have some forces the outside, you always have forces the inside. And with that balances, we can see it always moving. This is always moving. How you moving? Because of the I'm able to keep the balance well. When I come to here, I don't stop here. If I stop here, I lost my balance. I need to balance. This is very sensitive. Only human can do that. Yeah, really. But we already do that in the working. When we work, this is always happen the balancing. Sometimes maybe you don't remember what happens when you work the first time. You always fall down. Why? You lost your balance. Because you don't have too much power. Only this one, you lost the inside. Too less forces you fall down the behind. But we already passes that courses in the very young. So that's why we don't remember. But we already know that. We still do that. So that's why I'm saying, if you can work, you can do both. Because we already have that sense. Only difference is we cannot easy to know what movement what we need, but we already know. We already know that this movement. And sometimes the sports movement or some dancing, but that is also comes from the working. It always comes from that is basic of your 1, 2, 3, 4 step, everything, right? So when it comes here, and then let it go, and then to feel your club, and then goes here, and then I move to here. Here as well. I don't try to move this one. What I'm doing is just to follow my head. Follow your head. Sometimes many people misunderstanding. Oh, they are moving. Oh, no, you don't have to move. And then you don't move. This is very heavy. Now it's not heavy, but when you move, it's going to be very heavy. So that's why you always follow this one. And then power comes from this falling down.